Welcome back to my channel, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Sing with Goldie. Guys, today I am in Iceland. The city name I don't remember because the Nordic names are very difficult. But I am on the ship. I've been out, it's good, but I'm going to show you how the city look like from the ship. It's not exactly a city, it's like a village, you can say, but it is beautiful. I'll just show it to you. So well guys, you can see there's a mountain over there. I can zoom it for you. So there is ice, but this is a summertime, so you don't see much of the ice. It's just on the mountain a little bit over that side. Okay, and our ship is standing right over here. You can see there's an highway. You can see the small cars are going. Not small car, is looking very small from here, sorry. And this is a mountain. I mean, in winter this mountain is covered full with snow. Okay, now this side of the ship is all mountain. I'll take you to the another side. Here also a mountain, but here you can find some of the small houses. Again I said small because where I am standing everything looks so small, but it's like I've been there already. So you can see this. So I'll zoom it for you a little bit. I hope you can see the better view. So it's beautiful. The only word which comes in my mind right now is beautiful. So there's a small village, you can say, a town, and a highway over there. You can see cars going, and another mountain. This mountain also will like be covered with snow and all. Beautiful sea, very quiet, not much people. Someone was telling me it's like around 1,000 to 2,000 people in whole town. That's it. Alright. Well, I'm going out now, and you can see, this is a tender port, and I've already shown what is tender ports and what is a normal port. So you can see some of the houses over there, and that lovely mountain again. It's look like Lego toys or something. It's like you can actually pick up and put it somewhere else. How beautiful it is. I'm so lucky to do Iceland. It's like a movie. What we see in the movies mostly. So now it's like a summertime. That is why you can actually see all these mountains. But once the summer is over, all mountains will be covered by ice. Look at this. Still it is cold, so it will be a very short video. People won't like it much because I'm not making it in very detail. Just want to show you how beautiful is Iceland. That's it. Yeah, just zoom it for you so you can see all the houses over here. Believe me, I don't think so the camera is capturing what I am seeing. It is damn beautiful. So if you like Iceland, if you like my videos, subscribe to my channel, like my videos, share my videos. Bye bye from Cruising with Goldie.